Welcome to the e-learning for Sage 50, on the topic of Recode. The Recode function gives you the ability to change an existing master code to a new code, to adopt changes required in your business growth. Change is constant in the business world. At times the set of standard codes used in our daily operations will need to be updated, to reflect the changing needs of the business. A common example of this would be the need to reorganize your general ledger accounts, to enable better reporting and analysis on your growing business. However, in doing so, you would then worry about your historical data, and how to bring the data over to the new code you are creating, so that you would not have to view both old and new codes, just to get the total in your future reporting and analysis. Well, worry no more, as the Recode function in the system will handle that seamlessly for you. The recoding facility allows an existing code for most of the master data to be changed into a new code. The tool also updates all historical records to ensure consistency in the information. Now you have the whole historical data transferred over successfully over to the new code. You may proceed with your entry as normal. Thank you, and have a nice day.